Turn off the lights.
Hey everyone, Random Randy here. This is Vlogentines Vlebruary, just regular old daily vlogging for the month of February, day 12 for 2018. There was not a video yesterday for multiple reasons, primary among them being I had a pretty big case of the Overwhelms yesterday. Things have just been building the last few days, and not Sunday night, but Saturday night, Killian was up until 10:30. So then in order to get everything done and to get the tutorial that I had filmed, edited, and uploaded, I was up until I think it was almost 3 in the morning when I finally went to sleep. And the boys were up at about 6:30. Hi, kitty cat. So, all of that combined with the fact that yesterday I had made dinner for the kids and I and went to push the oven rack back into the oven and had the oven mitt in my hand. Well, when I went to push it in, I managed to catch the rack with my thumb here instead of with the oven mitt. So I put a ton of aloe on it so it actually doesn't look that bad. But last night, this thumb was super, super unhappy and throbbing most unpleasantly. I got yarn in my lap, kitty. You know I don't have you in my lap when I got yarn in my lap. So today was a much better day. I took the kids to the playground. Again, the sun has actually been out for the past few days. So yeah, I've been trying to make sure that we get some outside time, even if it's not for very long. Because even though the sun is indeed out, which, as I always say, isn't a common occurrence in Washington, it has been pretty darn cold. You look outside and think, oh, the sun is shining. It's gotta be probably in the upper 40s, close to 50 degrees. Nope. High today was 38. So, winter coats it was, and we went to the playground for about half an hour before we hit the grocery store. Then we came home and had lunch and just kind of hung out. And last night was another very, very, very up late night for me. I think it was about 2:45 the last time I looked at the clock last night, and that's only because I had just turned off the light in my room and was getting ready to go to sleep, and I heard Killian rustling around and making noises, and he called for me, "Mommy, mommy, mommy, I need to go potty." So I right up out of bed ran to get him and get him to the bathroom. Killian woke up in the middle of the night to go pee. So I would say that potty training is, at this point, a pretty darn close to 100% success. Another couple of days, and I think we'll pretty much have it down. Now I just have to get him to be able to pull everything down and pull it back up himself, and we'll be in business. Fantastic. So happy. Aside from that, just been kind of hanging around the house. Once I get this completely done and get the kids in bed, I'm planning to do the dishes tonight and just do some crocheting. I have an order for a zero levy that I'm working on. It doesn't need to be out for a few days, and I got the square for it done last night. I did the actual body of the head earlier today. I'll probably honestly finish it up tonight because now all of the hard parts are done. So maybe I'll be able to get it in the mail tomorrow. Probably be able to get it in the mail tomorrow. And that'll be an excuse to go to the post office, and if the weather's nice again, take the kids to the playground, let them run around and burn off some crazy for a bit, which is always good. Last night, because I couldn't sleep, because my genius self decided that finishing off the last of the pot of cold brew coffee that I made would be a good idea at 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. So that was dumb on my part, and that's on me. But I couldn't sleep, so I was up late watching podcasts and started another shawl. I don't know why. I did finish the summer romance shawl. I'm going to be showing it in my yarn talk on Thursday. And I started, it's kind of a scrap style shawl. It's called the odds and ends shawl. What's up, buddy? Yeah, PBS Kids. This shawl is going to be primarily blues, blacks, and greens. It kind of has a, I'm thinking of just calling it the deep shawl. It kind of has a deep ocean and deep space feel to it so far. But this is what it's looking like right now. And it is a free pattern, so I will post the link to it. It's really, really easy. It's just a few increases, and then there's this one accent row that's kind of open that it says to do it every 4 or 5 rows, but also if you want to add more interest to change it whenever. So that's what I'm working on aside from the Zero Levy. And I really need to do the last sleeve on my sweater. I kind of have this fear of failure with it, I've discovered after sitting and thinking about it for a while. I'm afraid that I'm gonna get this sleeve done and then I'm gonna go to put it together and it's gonna look like crap. I'm really, really worried about it, even though I've measured everything and I've held the panels up to myself and it should fit fine. Just, I've never made a sweater before, so I'm kind of having a freak out about it, and I don't know if I want to deal with it yet or if I just want to keep ignoring it until I feel like I'm ready. Not sure what I'm gonna do about it. We will see. Hi, Mr. Kitty Cat. I see you. I see you sitting there giving me dirty looks. Kitty, kitty, kitty. So, that blue stripe you see down there, that's Killian laying on the floor. He sits wherever he wants because that's what he does. So I don't really have a lot else to say today, I guess. I just wanted to get on and say I'm alive. Nothing horrible has happened. We only have 1 more week until we finally get to hopefully talk to my husband again. Sometime probably middle of next week we'll get to talk to him again after not hearing anything from him for 2 weeks once we get to that point. Yay. And we are 2 days off from Valentine's Day, and my birthday is the 18th of February, for which I will be doing a fat lot of nothing, although Hunter has informed me that he will be making a cake with me. Because when I told him that my birthday was going to be soon, he said, "Daddy's going to have to make you a cake. I'm going to help him." I said, "Well, Daddy's not going to be here to make a cake, sweetie." And he looked really bummed for a minute and he said, "I'll help make a cake for you, Mommy." He was super determined about it. So,
Cake. I want a cake.
Baby, we're talking about cake for Mommy's birthday in about a week, sweetie.
I know.
Not cake right now.
A candle.
Yes, cake. Well, I suppose I could put a candle on it if I wanted to set the house on fire, because there'd be so much flame at this point. I'm gonna be 32 for this birthday, so. What are you doing, buddy? You got your blanket?
I want to take a picture.
Okay, baby, Mommy's talking to the camera, so you don't need to take a picture. What are you doing? Are you gonna set that blanket on me? You trying to keep me warm with it?
Mommy, I'm gonna take a picture.
You're gonna take a picture? You're crawling. Okie dokie.
Pizza.
Yeah. Pizza, yep. So I wanted to mention that tomorrow, the 13th of February, is the last day to get your entry in for my 13K views on my Watch Me Clean My Craft Room video. I'm gonna have 1 winner. It's open worldwide. 13 balls of yarn. So I'm gonna link that here, whichever side the card will show up on. There'll be a little eye that'll pop up, and it will be linked at the end of the video and in the description box. All you have to do is watch the video, comment with the appropriate thing down in the description box, and you are entered to win. That's all it takes. So I guess that is it for me for today. This is gonna be pretty short, but life has whomped my butt the last few days. I just, gotta get the kids in the shower soon, got cleaning to do once they go to bed. I've got some laundry I want to finish folding tonight. So it's gonna be a finish up little bits of cleaning and then just chill, probably with some more podcasts and vlogs tonight type of night. Yeah. So I hope that you guys all had a good weekend, and I hope that you had an awesome Monday and are prepared to kick the rest of this week's butt. And I will catch you all in the next video tomorrow. So thank you so much everybody for watching, and thank you to all of the new subscribers and returning subscribers. I think last time I looked I was at 925 subscribers. That is awesome and amazing, and as long as I keep going at the pace I'm going, I'm actually going to be at the 1,000 I need to be at before the 20th. So thank you again so much everybody, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.